Do you want to know how we turn this jacket potato into this?
Hello everyone and welcome back to Two Smart Cookies. My name's Lauren and my name is Paige. Do you ever find that you have any leftover jacket potatoes from the day before that you just forgot about? You just don't know what to do with? Yeah. Well, here is the solution for you. We are going to turn these marvellous jacket potatoes into crispy Wedges. For the purposes of this video, we haven't cooked our potatoes just yet, so we're going to pop those in the oven and then we're going to give you the final step by step on how to make crispy, spicy wedges. And in the meantime, we may as well show you how to cook the perfect jacket potato. We've got a jacket potato oven outside in our restaurant. It's on show, everyone will see it, but it doesn't mean to say that you need one of these machines. A regular oven will do just perfectly fine on the same temperature for the same length of time.
So to begin, you are going to preheat that oven to 235 degrees, which is gas not 8. Hey. We're going to get them in the oven for at least an hour. Okay, we want them cooked right through. It might take an hour and a half if your potato is a little bit bigger, but as you can see, we've got regular sized potatoes, so an hour should do the job. We are going to prick these potatoes with a little knife, and we're actually going to bathe them in salt water. I've seen this little trick somewhere, and honestly, it works wonders. That jacket potato is just...
It's better than oil as well.
Yeah, absolutely delicious. And then you don't have the oil splashes all around your oven. It's just water. Yeah. Make sure your knife is going through that jacket potato. We want a nice even cook throughout. I've got the water and I've got the salt.
Or the water and the salt.
To the water and the salt. I'll use a spoon for this salt, not this. Okay, spoon, salt. Nice decent amount in there. Gonna be generous. Give it a little mixy mix.
You're giving it a proper good dunk. Right?
She did say good, give it a good dunk.
Is that what you do? Just wait till you're asleep and eat.
Good job of living in a different house, isn't it? Oh, hey, look at that.
Right?
Right. Get them straight into that oven.
Oh, wait. Just quickly, I'm going to tell you a joke.
One.
What's a potato's worst day of the week? Friday. Friday. Anyway, let's get these in the oven.
That was rubbish. Now that your jacket potatoes are out of the oven, we are going to be slicing them into our wedges. Now, make sure that your potatoes, not the hiccups, make sure that your potatoes are cool.
There you go. That'll help.
Make sure your potatoes are cool for this, otherwise they're just going to fall apart. Okay, whilst I do this, the assistant over here,
Because that's what I'm known as nowadays.
is going to make some seasoning. So,
I'm going in with some paprika, some garlic, quite a little bit of garlic in there, and also some parsley,
just going to give that a little toss around. And it'll all combine together. Lovely. And that there will be our seasoning for our wedges.
The wedges are now perfectly cut. We are going to get these bad boys in our fryer for on a really high setting, really for
A minute.
if that.
It's very, very quick.
So then
obviously the
just 30
potatoes
seconds.
are already cooked, so we're not having to wait for them to cook.
We're just waiting for them to crisp up and the outside will sort of like cook together, making it easy to pick up and just dip into your favourite sauces.
Yeah.
Let's go.
We are just dropping ours in our deep fat fryer, but you can shallow fry these in a frying pan as well. And that is our crispy wedges all ready.
Yes.
We're ready for the crunch up test.
Now that your wedges are looking like this and all ready, we're going to pop our seasoning over the top and give that a good whoops.
Good mix.
Oh, the smell from those. Look at that.
And if you're serving these to your friends or your family, make them look a little bit more professional. Like they've just came from the takeaway, pop them in that box, and you've got yourself some nice, lovely, crispy wedges.
And there you have it, our jacket potato wedges. Good for the family, good for me, good for you. Let's do addictive.
So quick to eat as well.
Try the ketchup first, shall we?
Let's find a little one.
Right, with ketchup.
Ketchup. Very good.
You can really taste that onion. And it just ties all together. It's onion.
Is it onion?
It's onion. Onion powder.
I thought it was garlic.
Yeah.
Garlic would have been very nice.
It would be, but something about onion powder. Right. Peronese.
That's the dip.
That is the dip. That little bit of heat with that paprika. It just,
Spicy little cake, isn't it?
it's just lovely down your tongue.
I think it's that with alcohol as well.
Well.
Right?
Right.
Bye.
I don't think so. 9. No, I am going. No, I'm kidding, but I will actually be finishing these off because these are delightful.
They are very nice. You know the best part is, when you finish the wedges, you've got all them little crispy bits at the bottom that you didn't just sprinkle into your mouth. Like the bottom of a crisp packet when you drink it.
That's ideal, that. I'm sorry, but this is just...
So, you know, you're not wasting those jack potatoes, you're savouring them, you make delicious wedges out of them. And it's quick. They're already cooked, you literally just cook them and drop them in the fryer, and it's done.
Exactly. And if you were listening very carefully, you probably would have heard the crunch that I just did down the mic because I was shouting, oh, and
Yeah.
Joe.
Well, there you go.
Okay, so that has been it for Two's Smart Cookies. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below what you'd like to see us next, and hit that subscribe button, and make sure that notification button is also switched on.
We have a very, very exciting video coming. But can you guess what it is? There is a little hint coming on the screen. Ooh, what could it be? Leave the suggestions in the comments below and we will get back to you. We'll see if you're right or not. So thank you so much for watching and we will see you in our next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.